what is your invention?
Musical instruments kit.
And what are you gonna need for it? What will we have to buy?
6 different shields.
And they are?
Number 1 is the MIDI shield. Number 2, the USB host shield. Number 3 is the Easy VR shield.
What is that Easy VR?
Easy VR is actually a voice command.
Oh, okay.
Number 4 is audio codec shield.
What is that?
It converts digital back to analog.
Digital back to analog. And then?
Number 5 is the MP3 player shield. And number 6 is the musical instrument shield.
And what is that, a musical instrument shield?
It has a little headphone jack, which is the speaker output. Headphone jack or speaker output, and then another headphone jack or speaker output, which are actually through holes.
And we need all those 6 ones to make your instruments kit?
Musical instruments.
Musical instruments kit? And which kind of instruments can you make then?
Oh, all of that I actually know.
But you only need shields, or do you need something else too?
Something else? Exactly. You're actually gonna need 6 components.
Which are?
6 components. Which are 1 and 2 are 2 audio jacks.
Okay.
Number 3 is a soft pot.
What is that?
It's actually a momentary potentiometer.
And what else?
Number 4 is a buzzer.
Okay. Why do you need a buzzer? You already have like MIDI and MP3 and musical instrument shield. You don't need a buzzer.
No, but they haven't any speakers.
Oh, they don't have any speakers? I thought that musical instrument shield had a speaker.
No.
Oh. But can we get
It only had a speaker output.
Alright. But can we get good sound from a buzzer? Isn't it better to use a real speaker?
Or a piezo element.
But isn't it better to use a real speaker?
Yeah. Then number 5 is No, I think we need 7 components, and 5 and 6 and 7 are push buttons.
Ah.